Hands down, this is the best chicken recipe I've ever had. I've only had chicken like 5 other times. Right now, I'm cleaning up the spice rack with stuff I never use. Aw, snap. Cardamom. Some yogurt. Turmeric. Paprika. Hold up. That's moving. Like I said, spices I never use. Let's try this again. Paprika. Turmeric. Not sure what that is. I'm coming in. Yogurt. Some cutting board flakes. Looks like a lime. It smells like a lemon. I think it's old. Mix Salardo. Next, you want to slit your chicken. Be careful not to go too deep or it'll bleed. Add the chicken to the marinade. Apply your tin foil, shiny side down. Let it rest overnight. Rinse 2 cups of rice. Search for toys. You see that? I found a fire chicken. Nice. Soak your rice for 30 minutes. Perfect. Oh geez. 2 tablespoons. Some cinnamon stick. Only 1 inch. I added to the pan some leaves, plant eggs, cardamoms, cloves. Mix Salardo. Slice some onions. Crispalize. Add your chicken with some leftover marinade juice, some rice, 3 and 1/2 CUP of water, some peppers. I'll be using a 5-pound pressure cooker.
Done. Taste test. Crunchy.